solution. Live at Castles Beach here on Oahu in Hawaii. I promised you at one point a microplastic cleanup demonstration. That's exactly what we're going to do today. So let's take a quick minute to review what we need, and these are all things that you will probably find at home. You're going to need 2 buckets, so a bigger one if you can, and perhaps a smaller one to put the stuff that you're going to collect in. You're going to need a strainer. I've used an old kitchen one that broke, or I also picked up just a couple for a few cents at Goodwill. Both are great. This is a great way to reuse some plastic and clean it up at the same time. If you want to step it up a little bit, you can actually find a set of strainers with different mesh sizes on Amazon. So you can go from small to larger. It helps sift out different size pieces of plastic. Last thing that you're going to need is a little shovel. All right. Step 1, take your big bucket, walk down to the ocean, and fill it about 2/3 of the way full with water. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to find a little spot on the sand where you see a lot of different colors. Then you're going to take your shovel and essentially scrape off the top layer of sand and place it in the bucket of water. The idea here, scientifically, is that sand sinks and plastic floats. So as you put the sand in here, you can stir it around, give it a little time, and I might not have given it enough of a sample for you to really see what's happening, but there's a little piece of plastic floating to the top. There's a couple of others. So the more sand that you put in here, the more the sand will float down to, or sink down to the bottom. The plastic will float to the top, and then all you're gonna have to do, take your strainer and pour out just a little bit the top surface layer of the water and all of the microplastic pieces that come along with it. Again, I didn't take a very big sand sample here, but you can see that there are some little teeny tiny pieces of microplastics down in here, something that probably would have taken you 4 hours to pick out by hand. So that is how you can clean microplastics out of the sand on your local beaches with things that you might have lying around at home.